Ayun pala, sorry, laki yung tingin ko. Pero dito ka na bro, akit ka dito, or you want here? Palapan natin si Mark, guys. Mac 2 meron tong visual aid. Bro, go Mark, dito ka na Mark.
Guys, good morning everyone. Nakakapapang pala to Anyway, ayan. Si-share lang naman ako. Ayan. Naririnig niyo ba ako guys?
Yes!
Thank you. So ayan, sharing ko lang babasahin ko na lang. Attending the Spiritual Foundation moment was truly one of the most life-changing experience I ever had. Kasi may mga bagay-bagay ka na dapat i-let go. Hindi yun madali But still, nakayanan natin by the grace of God, especially yung pag-isip-isip talaga sa umaga. Di ba mahirap guys?
Yes!
Hindi ko ina-expect na ganun pala siya ka-serious yung magiging impact niya sa puso ko. And I walk in hoping to learn something new, pero I walk out feeling renewed, strengthened, and reminded of who God is in my life. Isa talaga sa mga tumatak sa akin was when Ms. Jen Ponsalan started sharing about forgiveness habang nagsasalita siya. Na parang bawat word ay tumatama diretso talaga sa puso ko. Hindi lang siya basta lesson at parang personal reminder ni Lord talaga para sa akin na yun talaga yun In that session, I learned from her to choose to forgive people even if life gets so hard. She talked about how forgiveness is not just about letting go of the person who has hurt us, pero letting God free our own heart. Doon ko na-realize na minsan, akala natin okay lang tayo, pero may mga bit-bit pala tayong pain, insecurities, and fears na umahad lang sa growth natin. And forgiveness becomes part of our spiritual foundation at isang bagay na kailangang buuin at palalimin kasama si Lord. Isa rin sa nag-move sa akin ng sobra was yung 3 illustration dyan. You can see the screen naman guys, no? Yan.
Yes.
She allowed the small plant in a pot na maliit, limited, contained, tapos katabi nun ay yung isang malaking tree, the majestic tree with wide branches reaching far away. Ayan, nakikita niyo naman. Based on my understanding lang dito, ito yung sabi niya, minsan tayo parang yung plant na nasa pot. We just limit our faith, which limit what we believe that God can do. We limit ourselves, pero God sees us like the big flourishing tree. God sees what we can become when we put our full trust in Him. God sees the potential, the purpose, and the plans that are far bigger than what we could ever imagine. And this hit me so deeply. Kasi sa totoo lang, when we stay within our fear, heart or doubt, parang nakakulong tayo. Pero when we surrender everything to God, lalo na yung emotions natin, God begins to widen our capacity, strengthening our roots, grow beyond our limitations. Grabe, I feel like God was reminding me na, don't limit what I can do in your life. Let me grow you, shape you, and use you. Attending this session, I didn't just inspire me, but it grounded me so well. It reminded me of the importance of building my spiritual foundations on truth, forgiveness, and faith. Ang daming learning ng session na to. And then also yung power ng prophetic prayer talaga. Ang ganda nun guys, no? Ang sarap marinig nun sa taong nagdadasal nun para sa'yo. Hindi mo naman alam talaga yung season niya sa buhay niya. And prayer is so powerful talaga. Alam niyo naman yun guys. Napareflect tuloy ako na every season may ginagawa talaga si Lord sa ating mga madaming challenges talaga. But that's life. minsan pruning, minsan growing, minsan stretching. Pero lahat may purpose yun para sa atin talaga. Basta may pay tayo sa kanya. And ngayon, I feel more open, more willing, and more ready to trust God truly. Because if God can turn a tiny plant into a flourishing tree, how much more can He do sa buhay natin pinili na niyang mahalin, di ba? This experience didn't just teach me something, and it truly transformed something inside me. And I'm so grateful for this spiritual foundation. Thank you guys sa mga namit ko. Kasi ang dami ko talagang natutunan in every topic. Feels so timely and exactly what I needed in this season. Ayun. God bless everyone. Thank you.
Praise God! Thank you, Mark! Thank you so much. We'll see you again next time. Mark, may victory group ka ba? Nag-attend ka ng victory group? Very good. Talapakan natin si Mark. Thank you so much. Thank you for what you have shared. Again, I receive your testimonies. Not everyone I can show it here, but thank you. Some of you will share it to other people as well.